Now the very next and very last thing we are going to do is we are going to delete and record. Okay, so let me copy this and paste it here as well. Instead of this put request, we are going to make a delete request. Okay, so delete, this should be delete. Let's change the SQL query, delete from layers where id is equal a question mark. This id we can actually, we don't need this anymore since we are not getting any data from the body. So this id will get from this, from here, the URL. Okay, so let's try it out. Delete any of them. For example, we are going to delete Edinson Cavani, that was id of 11. So let's copy it and go to Postman, duplicate tab. Instead of put, we have to make a delete request, and there should be delete route. We don't need any body, we can get rid of this like this. Okay, none. Send a request, and something went wrong maybe. Yes, it's saying id syntax error, missing a. Okay, let's try it out. What's wrong? I missed this. Actually, I missed this comma from here as well, from both here and above here. Okay, we have everything set. Let's try it out once again. Send the request, and it's saying success. Let's go to phpMyAdmin layers. It's saying there is no Edinson Cavani, only 3 rows we have left. That means create, read, update, delete, all of them are working successfully.